So I wanted to show you guys really quick. This is how my makeup looks in natural light. It looks pretty cool, huh? And, well, of course, if I remove my glasses. And that's how it looks.
Hi guys, welcome back. Let's start off with our first step, which is vanilla, and that's going to be placed in my brow bone. For my second step, I'll be using golden olive, and that's going to be placed right in between transitional and brow bone. Okay, so for my transitional color, I'll be mixing 1 drop of dark peach pink and 1 drop of cocoa. It's going to create a really nice soft peachy brown color. So for my lid, I'll be using 3 drops of yellow, which is Fantasy, with 1 mixture of golden olive. It creates a really nice like mustard sort of color. Can you guys take a look at my shirt? Pineapples? Yes, that's why I was inspired. So I have a little tip here. If glamour tends to crack in the middle of your eyes, don't panic. It's just a matte color. It's normal. All you want to do is add opalescent or a shimmer in the middle of your eyes like I am doing here. I was using Lady Luck and it only took 1 drop. And my tip, as always, whatever you do to one side, you can always do to the other. Yes, 2 drops goes a long way. So for my outer V, I did use Marcella, and I just dragged it towards the middle. But the trick is not too close and not pulling too much on the lever. To darken my outer V, I did use a little bit of walnut here. And then same thing, just dragged it a bit towards the middle. And moving on to my brows, I like to use the Q-tips to clean over my brows just because you get that overspray. So I didn't show you guys my color, but again, I'm still using that walnut. And it was only 3 drops. So guys, doing these voiceovers could sometimes be tricky because at the same time, I'm trying to think when I'm gonna say. You wanna say it, but then again, you do tongue twists. But yeah, moving on. This is the shield or the stencil? The stencil. It is the letter C. So for my liner, I did go in with black and I did do freehand. And again, all you have to do in this step, just get close to your eyelid 1 inch and then just put lightly on the lever and then just try to do freehand, don't get scared. So for my bottom eyeliner, I did go in with Cypress, but I did notice, and I did use my shell, the color bounced back into my eyeliner, but it was okay. I left it as is. My favorite lashes that I always like to wear is Ardell by Wispies. Thank you, sister. She bought me like a 4-pack, so it has lasted me quite a while. I still need 2 more packages to go. So this airbrush makeup line is called Dinair, and yes, you're also able to use it with brushes. Their pigmented are high, so as you guys can see, I'm using a flat angle brush. By the way, and if it goes to your eyes, nothing happens. It's water-based. Yes, it has gone into my eyes before, but it does not irritate my eye at all. I did use a wipey to clean my brush and it came right off. So for my foundation, I did go in half and half, 6 golden olive and 6 vanilla. I like my makeup coverage to be in between light and medium coverage. I'm not comfortable with full coverage, but yes, it's possible as well to do full coverage. It's incredible how the camera starts picking up and you could start seeing the differences. I always like to use my stencil for everything. I also use it to cover up. Just, I don't want that overspray going into my brows or my eyeshadow. You guys, if you have any ideas or questions, please let me know down below. I would love to read them. And yes, I have more ideas coming soon. So make sure you have your notification on. For my contour, I'll be using the shade Cocoa. And yes, I got people hooked saying Cocoa. So I may look like I'm blowing the heck out of my cheeks, but in reality, I'm spraying and then drying and spraying. For this look, I am skipping blush and going straight in with highlight. I am using rose gold. And for my Cupid's bow as well. I felt for this look I should do a nude shade, so I did go in with Moira, my favorite nude color at the moment. Never forget to clean the overspray on your hairline, and as always, this is my final look. Thank you guys so much.